This is the NOKIA G60, and today we are going to demonstrate how you can add numbers to the keyboard on this device. First of all, let me just go ahead and launch the keyboard itself. In here at this little top option bar, look for the cog icon. If it is not present in your particular case, expand the keyboard options menu by tapping on these three horizontal dots. So once we have been successfully sent to the Gboard keyboard settings, enter the preferences category and switch on the number row toggle. And as you will be able to see now, that will effectively mean that you have successfully activated the separate number row on top of the characters at the keyboard of this device already. So that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.